In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a task in Clickup. Whether you're new to Clickup or just looking to master its features, knowing how to undo actions can save you from accidental deletions or changes. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Clickup's official website. It's your gateway to managing all your project tasks efficiently. Once there, you should find an option to log in, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to proceed. If you have linked your Clickup account with Google, you'll see a Sign In with Google button. It's a convenient option that saves you from remembering those pesky passwords. Just click it, and then select the appropriate Google account from the list that appears. This should take you directly into your Clickup dashboard where you can see all your task lists, projects, and more. Now that we're into Clickup, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the task you're working on. You'll see a variety of tasks displayed, and finding the one you need is usually just a matter of a quick search or a glance at your recent activities. Once you've found the task and you've accidentally made an unwanted change or deleted it, don't panic. Clickup has a user-friendly interface that makes recovering tasks prompt and simple. Find the three dots, usually referred to as the More Options menu, located alongside your task. When you click this, a drop-down menu will appear with several options to choose from. If you accidentally deleted the task or made any unwanted change, you need to be swift to find a small undo notification that pops up in the corner of your screen. It's often labelled as undo and appears for a short time after an action is taken, so keep an eye out. Click that undo button quickly and your task will be restored to its previous state. It's that simple. This feature is incredibly useful, especially when you're moving through tasks quickly and something doesn't go as planned. However, do remember that this undo feature is time sensitive, so acting swiftly is the key here. Keep in mind that the ability to undo only applies within a certain window and certain actions, so be aware of this as you work. Regularly revisiting your tasks and ensuring everything is in order is a great habit to cultivate. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to undo task actions in Clickup. This little trick can be a real lifesaver in maintaining your workflow and keeping everything organized. Thanks for watching, and happy Clickupping!